Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to fix overheating issue on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. Firstly, we can just close all of the applications from recents. For this, we just need to swipe up from the bottom edge, and here you can see all of your recently opened applications. Just swipe up like this, or you can use your two fingers to close two apps at once, or you can even use your free fingers like this. So you need to do this because it will reduce the load on the processor. Also, we can disable background app refresh. For this, we would need to open settings. Here, go in the general tab, and after this, select the background app refresh. Now we can disable some of the applications which we don't need in the background run. For example, journal, news, and so on. You can also disable everything just by tapping this off option. Now we can disable not needed notifications. For this, we just need to go in the notifications tab, and here we can disable notifications from the GarageBand, for example, because I don't need it, from the iTunes Store, from the photos, and so on. Now, you can also try to use low power mode. You can activate it just by swiping down like this, and here you can find this battery icon which is for the low power mode. But if not, you can add it right in the control sensor. Here you can add from more controls to the included controls this low power mode. To use it, just simply touch it like this so it will become orange. And now let's disable location for applications that don't need it. This will significantly reduce power consumption. For this, we would need to go to the previous settings, then find privacy and security tab. Here it is. And now we need to select location services, and for example, in the camera, we can switch to the never or ask every time when I share, or we can turn everything off by tapping on the switcher like this. Also, don't forget to turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when you don't need them. You can do it right in the settings as well. Here, just tap on the switcher and do just the same for the Bluetooth, because this can reduce the load on the processor and thus the heating of the device. So now let's disable voiceover because it also takes a lot of battery, which can lead to the overheating. For this, we just need to find the accessibility tab. Here it is, and now select voiceover and just tap on the switcher to turn off. When it's off, you'll see that it is gray, and when it's on, it is green like this. As the next step we can implement is to reduce the screen brightness. For this, we will need this display and brightness tab, and to reduce it, just simply drag the slider left like this. And also, additionally, we can enable auto brightness. For this, we will need to return to the previous setting, then select accessibility, and here choose this tab which is named display and text size. And right in the end of the page, you'll see the auto brightness. Just turn it on by tapping on the switcher like this. Now, if 5G is not a necessity for you, you can easily switch to the 4G if you just go in the cellular setting and here choose the cellular data option, and in voice and data switch to the LTE, just like this. As the next step how to fix overheating issue, we can reduce motion. For this, we will need to go in the accessibility tab. Here choose motion and then tap on the switcher to enable reduce motion. So this will help to reduce animations, which may help reduce CPU load. And now, as for additional recommendations, avoid fast charging if it's not necessary. Do not use the phone while charging to minimize heat, and also don't forget to check your phone for the software updates. You can do it right in the General tab, then here in Software Updates, and wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading. And as you can see in my case, I have several updates, so I just need to do this to fix the overheating issue. And that's it for today. I hope this advice has helped. Thank you so much for watching.